Hello everyone, it's Billy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you my morning routine. Of course, first thing first, after I wake up, I love to make my bed and straight to shower. And it's because I follow intermittent fasting. I love to drink a lot of water, and not just that, I also mix apple cider vinegar with my water every single day. And after that, I love to do a 5-minute journal and bring my little princess for a walk. As you can see, this breed doesn't love to go for a walk. Are you ready, Nelly? Are you ready? Nelly! Then it's a time to give my little princess some love and her food. Then it's my breakfast time for me. And that it's all about my morning routine. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye!